So this is the question, is affiliate marketing still worth it in 2026? All right, I'm going to show you irrefutable proof that it is. And if you want to start a business this year, this is the business to start for the next 5, 10, 20 years. All right, so I'm going to jump on my screen right now and just show you proof. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to head straight to AI, and I'm going to ask Google's Gemini, right? In 2026, what are the most lucrative, all right, businesses to start? You can see right here, top businesses to start in 2026. And you can see right here, the first one that they name is basically digital products and courses, right? Creating and selling high margin digital goods like Notion templates, ebooks, cohort-based video platforms, requires zero inventory and offers immense scalability. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is. You sell somebody else's digital product, that's considered, affiliate marketing. So it's ranked number 1. And then they rank number 2 as AI automation agencies, which is way more complex. Of course, you can do that as well. And then niche e-commerce and dropshipping, which is physical products, which I don't recommend because the profit margins are super low. And then content and media operations, all right? So number 1 is digital affiliate marketing, which is really cool. Now, of course, you can go and create your own product, but that's more complicated. Affiliate marketing, you're just remarketing somebody else's digital product, okay? Now, the next thing I asked is, how much can you make with digital affiliate marketing in 2026, right? So here's what Gemini said. Again, pulling information, data from all over the world, right? In 2026, affiliate marketing earners can make between 0 to 1,000 monthly, intermediates can earn between 1,000 to 10,000, and advanced marketers can earn between 10,000 and 100,000, all right? So, of course, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to earn really little money, all right? If you're an intermediary, $1,000 to $10,000 per month, all right? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And if you're really ready, I'm going to show you how to break the $10,000 mark, which takes a little bit of time, but it's not impossible once you have the right information. So just so that you know, affiliate marketing is still extremely profitable. Now, here's the other thing, right? Is it going to last a long time, or is this just the next couple of years, right? So again, I asked Gemini, will affiliate marketing still be profitable in 10 to 20 years from now, right? And here's what they said. They said, yes, affiliate marketing will remain highly profitable over the next 10 to 20 years, with the market projected to surpass $48 billion. So right now, it's roughly about $15 billion. So this is how big the world is. This is how big the opportunity is, all right? And so it's really, really important to understand that the opportunity is still there, right? However, the spammy link dropping methods are obsolete. They're already obsolete now. They've been obsolete for a very long time, right? The future belongs to authentic experts, trusted content creators, and AI integrated strategies, which is the only thing that I teach anyway. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. And I'm going to show you that even this year, it's still worth it. So let me just jump and show you some of my income proof. So here's me making my first $1 million with affiliate marketing. This came in the mail, which is really, really cool. This is my Stripe account, 3.27 million ringgit, my currency equivalent to about 800,000 US dollars. This is me generating $673,000, and this is me selling a software as a service. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, it's a little bit funky right there, right? Let me just, there you go, all right? $160,000. 247. It's crazy selling somebody else's product. Now, how did I do this with affiliate marketing? Okay. Now, here's the thing that you have to understand about affiliate marketing, which is really important. If you do it the wrong way, you're going to make $0. But if you do it the right way, like I show you right now, you can just replicate this and do this properly. All right. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because 75% of people that don't subscribe, they never even find out that I've got a new video coming out, and you're never going to learn how to make money with digital products and online business properly. So make sure that you do, okay? So here's how I did it, okay? I generated $2.8 million with digital affiliate marketing, and it starts with 4 things right here: the niche, the product, the funnel, traffic, and leads. If you've seen this before, I promise you haven't seen it the way that I show it, all right? Now, with affiliate marketing, you can start in any niche. You can sell everything from health to wealth to relationships to software as a service to pets to sports. It doesn't matter. It's more about the strategy that you implement that makes all the difference, all right? Now, the next thing is that we only want to sell digital products, not physical. Why? Because when you sell physical products like Amazon Associates, for example, they only pay between 1% and 3% commissions. Can you imagine how difficult it's going to be to make $10,000 when you make a 1% commission? It's just almost impossible. You'd literally have to sell 10,000, 20,000 units of anything every single month, which is a pure waste of time, okay? So we only sell digital because They have high profit margins, they're less competitive, easy to add value, and it's easy to hit your big income goals because the profit margins are so high, all right? So don't sell physical stuff like a lot of people teach. We want to sell digital stuff, right? So now that we know that, you can be in any niche, you want to sell digital products. The next thing is we have to build out a funnel, all right? Now, this is where this is really important, okay? So the first thing that you have to understand is you must learn to capture someone's information. We want their name, we want their email address. If their phone number is there, even better, right? Then we follow up with them, okay? You never want to send someone just to your quote-unquote authority blog website or something like that talking about camping gear, because people are just going to land on it and bounce off. They're not going to click on your links and buy. Some people might, but very, very few people. So we want to first send them into our funnel to capture the information so that we can follow up with them automatically and then build trust over time. It's all about building trust, okay? Now, here's what a lot of people will do then. They will send someone straight to something called a VSL, video sales letter. You don't want to do that, okay? A video sales letter is just a sales page that talks about the opportunity for 5 or 10 minutes, right? Now, if you're doing that, people are not going to buy because people love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So if you send them straight from a capture page to a video sales letter or a long form sales letter, they know that you're trying to sell them. So what's going to happen? Well, nothing's going to happen. They're not going to buy because they don't trust you yet. So what you need to do is you need to build trust first, okay? Build trust first, sell last. This is how it works. You want to train people, you want to teach them, you want to give testimonials, you want to solve their problems first. And then once you build that trust, you can then offer them something that will help them to solve the problem, which is the digital affiliate product that you're going to recommend them, okay? That's how you get rich. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but what I'm sharing with you right here took me 8 years to learn and more than 50,000 US dollars to figure out, okay? It was a very, very painful experience, and very few people even understand this or even teach it properly. You must offer value first because everyone is trying to get everyone to buy something, right? So if you do what everybody else does, you're going to get the results that everybody else is getting, which is nothing, all right? So very important. Make sure you build trust first. Do not send them to a video sales letter. So that's the funnel, okay? In essence, very easy. The next thing is we got to get attention. We need to find people, right? And that's called traffic and leads. Now, how do you do this, okay? Now, there are two ways to do this. In the industry, affiliate marketing, for whatever reason, a lot of gurus like to teach you to buy other people's traffic. That means they say, hey, go to this website like udemy.com or go to a solo ad network or traffic vendor and just go and buy traffic. That means they've already got the leads. They've done all of the traffic generation. You just go and offer them $500, $1,000, and they're going to send you leads, right? Now, you never want to do that, okay? Because if you do that, you're buying leads that have been promoted to over and over and over and over again. What happens is that those leads, they get destroyed. They're not interested in buying your stuff, okay? So they may click around. They might, you might get a lead, and you even might get a sale, but you're not going to get into profit, all right? And this is why I failed for so long. I spent over $30,000 buying other people's traffic because that's what all of these stupid courses told me to do. They told me to go out there, go to udemy.com, find a solo seller on Facebook or whatever on Google, and go and buy traffic from them. These people's email lists are destroyed. So they don't trust you. So they can see your offer, they'll click on it because these are like trigger happy people, right? But they don't actually put their credit card details in. So what you want to do instead is you want to learn to generate your own traffic. Okay, how do you do that? You need to become a practitioner of marketing. That means that you need to learn to market on some of the biggest platforms out there. Learn to be a good Facebook marketer. Learn to be a good TikTok marketer. Learn to be a good Instagram marketer. Okay, learn to be a good LinkedIn marketer, a good Pinterest marketer, right? So you got to learn some skills. That's how you make a lot of money in affiliate marketing. And the difference is that when you generate your own traffic, it's high quality. They know exactly who you are because they see your content, not some random email in an email list, right? And the more views you get, the more leads you get, the more sales you get, okay? So here's the thing that I want you to understand about social media. The follower count doesn't matter. Even if you start from zero, even if you have a really small account, like a few hundred followers, you can still get a lot of views and generate a lot of leads and make a lot of sales, okay? And that is how people buy. So this formula right here is something that I want you to take home today. All right, really, really important. So let's just recap really quick, right? You can be in any niche you want, okay? The product that you want to sell should be digital, not physical. If you want to make money, you have to build trust first, don't sell, okay? Build trust first, sell last. And for traffic, you want to generate your own traffic. You don't want to buy other people's traffic. Okay, so the question is affiliate marketing worth it in 2026? I still think that this is one of the best, easiest, and most profitable businesses to start. You just have to have the right information and the right mentor to follow. Otherwise, it can be like a giant black hole and you're not going to make a cent at all. All right. So if you loved it today, let me know your comments below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to build a more profitable affiliate business with digital products. Okay. And if you want to get my step-by-step, if you're like, Aaron, this is cool, but how do I do this step-by-step? How do I pick my actual niche? How do I pick the right product? What does it look like? How do I build out my value-based funnel? Where do I really get my leads from? And how do I learn to generate my own traffic? All of that I cover in my masterclass. If you want to check out my masterclass for free, it's in the comment section below. See you there, and I'll see you on the next video too.